Assalamualaikum and good afternoon I bid to everyone. Okay, firstly I want to introduce myself and my friend. My name is Ahmad Daniel bin Ahmad Nasir and my matrix number is 200833.
Hi, my name is Abdul Azim bin Abdul Halim and my matrix number is 200586.
Okay, we are here to talk about Industry 4.0 in our life. Okay, firstly, what is Industry 4.0? According to Andreja Rochko, an economics officer from German, he stated that Industry 4.0 is a strategic initiative introduced by German government, and the goal of Industry 4.0 is transformation of industrial manufacturing through digitalization and exploitation of potentials of new technologies, which means we will apply artificial intelligence or internet of technology into manufacturing production. So we will use machines and so on, but no humans in this aspects. Okay, firstly I will go through for the main point number one, which is improved productivity. When we apply artificial intelligence on manufacturing production, we tend to produce more with cost-effective resources, which means we will produce a lot of products with effective cost. Then we will prevent a waste of cost and products because human tends to make a lot of mistakes. So when we apply machines or artificial intelligence in industry 4.0, we will cut the cost and then we will increase the production. Besides that, artificial intelligence in industry relate to production lines experience, which is reduced in downtime of production. We will set up the data, the desired data into the machines, and then the machines will start working based on the data that we have set before. So human, as I stated before, humans tend to do a lot of mistake, but machines, I won't say machine is perfect, but it is it is far more effective than human because machines work based on data while human always make mistake, especially when it comes to data, because our brain has its limit when it comes to data. uh, Thirdly, higher rate of production. This is because with human power we will have our own limit while working. We will feel exhausted when we work too much, but machines, it takes a long of time for the machines to be broken or to be slowed down. But when we apply machine in our life, so the production of any products will increase. Last but not least, we could increase the profits of any manufacturing because when we apply machine or artificial intelligence in the manufacturing process, the production will increase with a lower cost since we no need to pay salary of manpower. We just need money for the for the machines. So we will increase the profit since we can get a higher productivity, higher productions with less damage. Okay, I will pass this presentation to Azim.
Yeah, thank you for Daniel for the highlight of the main point one. So now it goes. I will explain to you about the main point two, which is about reduce the cost. Just like Daniel said just now, is that we can reduce the cost of the production and increase the productivity. So you might be wondering how we're gonna do that, right? Because basically we're playing with machines. So the first thing that the machines will do is that the machines or the artificial intelligence will do is that they will use they will have a better use of resources. As we know, one of the costs that one of the costs to make a product is basically coming from the resources. So resources are limited and also expensive. So we need to make use of it in a good way. So if we use humans labor work, we tend to make mistakes. Humans tend to make mistakes, and when humans make mistake a lot, we will tend to waste a lot of resources. So let me give you a quick example. Have you ever buy something online, and when you get the item is damaged?
Yeah.
Have you ever, right?
Sure,
So
sure.
you get the item is damaged and you need to do the return and refund thing, and basically you get a new one. But let's think again, what happened to the damaged item? Basically it's wasted, the resources is wasted. So with the usage of artificial intelligence in the production line, basically we can reduce the mistakes, we can reduce the errors, so that we can make use of all the resources and make into all of them into a product, rather than probably a few percentage of them go into the rubbish, into the garbage, because they are being wasted because of errors. So next will be is lower overall operating cost. So according to economic hubs, one of the two factors that affecting the cost production, the cost production are wage cost and also labor work. So these two are related, because a small change of wage can have a huge impact on the cost of the production. The wage we are talking about is the labor work. So if we have too much labor, we have too many workers working in the production line, we will have more cost to pay their salary. So with the usage of artificial intelligence, we can reduce the labor work cost, and hence we can reduce the cost of the products. So in the conclusion, we have seen that Industry 4.0, with the usage of artificial intelligence, we can it can gives us a lot of benefits in terms of lower costs with high productivity, and also we can use better resources and increase the profits. So basically it benefits both users and also producers. So basically Industry 4.0 is very good for us, and that will be all for my point. And before I end the presentation, there's a quote from Andrew Ng, which is a computer scientist and also an expert in Industry 4.0. He says that we can build a much brighter future where humans are relieved of menial work using AI capabilities. Basically, we can reduce the lot of works from the work people by using the artificial intelligence capabilities to do the work for us humans, and hence it will benefit us a lot. So that will be all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.